Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Spanish yellow rice with shrimp. The ingredients that we're going to need today are water, chicken bouillon powder, olive oil, long grain white rice, sazon with saffron in it, yellow pepper, orange pepper, onion, fresh garlic, and I also have a bag of the medium cooked shrimp peeled and deveined. I have all my ingredients measured out for our yellow Spanish rice. So we're going to need 3 cups of water, 3 cups of long grain white rice. You want to rinse that off. 1/2 of a medium onion diced. 1/4, which is one side of your orange and yellow pepper, and you want to chop that. Also 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 packets of sazon with saffron in it, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and 3 large garlic cloves minced. Okay, I have my chopper here. So what we're going to do is add in our onion, yellow pepper, and orange pepper to it. And I want to chop it, or shall I say, get it minced real good. So when we cook our rice, it'll melt into it. Okay guys, so I have my onion, yellow pepper, and orange pepper in my chopper. Okay guys, so this is the consistency that I wanted my peppers and onion. I let that go for about 2 minutes. In a pot over medium heat, we're going to add in our olive oil. We're going to let that heat up. Now we're going to add in our onion and pepper mixture. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. Next, add in your minced garlic. Let that saute 1 minute. After 1 minute, add in your chicken bouillon powder and also your sazon with saffron. You want to go ahead and mix that up. Make sure it's well combined. Now add your 3 cups of water. Go ahead and mix it, and we're going to let that come to a boil. You can raise your heat up to medium high. Once it comes to a boil, you want to add in your white rice. You can lower your heat back down to medium. Go ahead and stir your rice around. You want to keep that boiling until the majority of the water has evaporated. Okay guys, as you can see, that most of the water has evaporated. So now you want to lower your heat to the lowest flame possible. Now we're going to take a piece of aluminum foil and place it over top. Now you can place your lid over top tightly. Do not remove it. And we're going to let that cook for 30 minutes. Remember, on the lowest heat possible. Okay guys, for our shrimp, we're going to go ahead and take the tails off, and then we're going to rinse them off. You need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of salted butter, Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, and parsley flakes. Once you've taken all the tails off of your shrimp and you've rinsed them, we're going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. Guys, you can add as much as you would like, and also our Old Bay seasoning. And we're just going to go ahead and mix it until all our shrimp are well coated. Okay guys, in a heated pan over medium heat, we're going to add in our olive oil. We're going to let that heat up. Now we're going to add in our butter. We're going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, add in your shrimp. I'm going to go ahead and mix that through our butter and olive oil. Now I'm going to sprinkle in some parsley flakes. We're just going to mix it. We're going to let our shrimp cook for several minutes. Okay guys, our shrimp is now done, so you can turn off the heat. And our rice is also done. Look how beautiful that came out. So all I'm going to do is fluff up the top of it. Came out perfect. Nice and fluffy. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Spanish yellow rice with shrimp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.